Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English instructor and welcome to my English coaching class. Currently we are at unit number 12, Cultural Elegance. Let's start our today's lecture. We are at lecture number 2 and the competency that we are targeting through this lecture is vocabulary and grammar. Our today's topic is adjectival, prepositional and adverbial phrases. Before jumping on to our topic, let's have a look at the SLOs. Here are the SLOs. Identify and use adjectival, prepositional and adverbial phrases in reading and writing. And the other SLO is keep a record of words, for example, word wall, word bank and word journal. Here is the vertical linkage of both the SLOs. Now let's begin our today's lecture. First of all, we'll learn about adjectival phrases. So let's see. But before jumping on to the topic, let's have a quick brainstorming session. Can you recall the difference between an adverb and an adjective? That's right. An adverb is something that adds to the meaning of a verb, an adverb itself and an adjective, whereas an adjective adds something to the meaning of the noun. Moving on to, let's see what's an adjectival phrase. An adjectival phrase is a group of words that describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It acts as an adjective, providing more information about the noun it modifies. So इस डेफिनेशन को देख के हमें ये पता चलता है कि एडजेक्टिवल फ्रेज एक ऐसी फ्रेज होती है जो एक नाउन के बारे में ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड इंफॉर्मेशन में मजीद इजाफा करती है या उसके बारे में मजीद कोई इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करती है या ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग नाउन के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन को मॉडिफाई करती है. Let's have a look at the examples. Our first example is, the house with the red door is my dream home. Here, dream home एक noun है, home is a noun. यहाँ पे इस home के बारे में मजीद information हमें कहाँ से मिल रही है? इस adjectival phrase से मिल रही है. With the red door. Dream home कैसा है? ऐसा है जिसका दरवाजा सुर्ख रंग का है. So here with the red door is adding something to the meaning of the noun home. In the other example, the dog in the park is very friendly. Here we can see that the adjectival phrase in the park is adding something to the already existing noun dog. यहाँ पे हमें बताया जा रहा है कि किस डॉग की बात की जा रही है. वो वाला डॉग जो पार्क में है वो बहुत फ्रेंडली है. In the third example, we can see, I have a friend from Canada. मेरा एक दोस्त है. कौन सा दोस्त है, कहाँ से बिलोंग करता है, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की जा रही है इस एडजेक्टिवल फ्रेज के थ्रू. From Canada. I have a friend from Canada. For example, आप कह सकते हैं, I saw a beautiful girl who had blue eyes. Here, who had blue eyes is an adjectival phrase. Now see, what is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. एक prepositional phrase एक ऐसी phrase होती है जो preposition से शुरू होती है और noun या pronoun पे ख़त्म होती है. इसका मकसद क्या है या किस तरह से function करती है? It functions to show direction, location, time or other relationship between elements in a sentence. Prepositional phrase का मकसद क्या है? Direction show करना, location show करना, time या फिर दो मुख्तलिफ elements के दरमियान कोई relationship show करना. आइए इसको समझते हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स की मदद से. पहली एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास, द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल। जैसा कि हम एक दफा फिर से नजर डालते हैं प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज की इस डेफिनेशन पे, जिसमें हमें यह पता चल रहा था कि प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज का फंक्शन क्या है, टू शो डायरेक्शन। नाउ एक दफा फिर से देखें इस एग्जाम्पल को, द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल, वी वॉक्ड डाउन द स्ट्रीट टू द पार्क। First we'll talk about this example. We walked down the street to the park. इस एग्जाम्पल में डाउन द स्ट्रीट हमें क्या बता रहा है, हमें डायरेक्शन बता रहा है। और अगर हम पहली एग्जाम्पल की बात करें, द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल, तो यहां पे ये प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज अंडर द टेबल हमें उस कैट की लोकेशन बता रही है। सिमिलरली इन द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, द कुकीज आर इन द जार, इस एग्जाम्पल को देखने के बाद भी हमें कुकीज की लोकेशन का पता चलता है, कुकीज कहां पर हैं, जार के अंदर हैं। सो इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, इन द जार इज द प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज। और फॉर इंस्टेंस अगर मैंने टाइम के बारे में कुछ बताना हो, जैसा कि यहाँ पे शो किया गया है, तो मैं यूं कह सकती हूँ, I will meet you at 4 o'clock. So here in this example, at 4 o'clock is the prepositional phrase. Now let's learn about adverbial phrase. Adverbial phrase क्या चीज है? An adverbial phrase is a group of words that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb in a sentence. Adverbial phrase क्या करती है? एडवर्बियल फ्रेज एक वर्ब, एक एडजेक्टिव या फिर एक दूसरे एडवर्ब के मीनिंग में इजाफा करती है या उसको मॉडिफाई करती है। इट प्रोवाइड्स मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हाउ, व्हेन, वेयर और टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट समथिंग अकर्स। ये हमें बताती है कि कोई भी चीज वाकया हुई है तो वो कहाँ पर हुई है, कब हुई है, कैसे हुई है, या इस तरह की मजीद इंफॉर्मेशन इसके बारे में प्रोवाइड करती है। Let's have a look at the examples. In the first example, he ran with great speed to catch the bus. इस एग्जाम्पल को देखने के बाद हमें यह पता चलता है कि वो भागा। वो किस तरह भागा? How did he run? He ran with great speed. So here in this example, with great speed is adding to the meaning of the verb. वो भागा, वो कैसे भागा? With great speed. So here with great speed is the adverbial phrase. In the next example we can see he speaks with confidence during presentations. वो बोला, वो किस तरह से बोला? How did he speak? With confidence. So here with confidence is the adverbial phrase. In the next example we can see the children played in the garden all afternoon. बच्चे कहां पर खेल रहे थे? Where did the children play? In the garden. In the garden. तो in the garden क्या है? Adverbial phrase. So after learning about adjectival, prepositional and adverbial phrases, now let's have a look at how you can build up your vocabulary by adding on different words to the prepositions. Here are some prepositions: at, out, in, by, on, and by adding different words to these prepositions, we can make unlimited, well-structured phrases. For example, at is a preposition, and if we add high speed after it, there is a new phrase, at high speed. What will this do? This will increase and improve your vocabulary, and by this way you can make a word journal or a word bank or a word wall all by yourself. Let's do a little classroom activity. Here we have a passage. Let's read this passage and try to identify adjectival, prepositional and adverbial phrases from the given paragraph. Let's read the paragraph. I was first introduced to the country by my Pakistani roommates many years ago. Many years ago. Here, many years ago is the adjectival phrase. When I was 18 and living in London. Here, in London is the prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Their stories piqued my interest right away. उनकी स्टोरीज ने मुझे इरिटेट कर दिया. कैसे इरिटेट कर दिया? Right away. फौरन इरिटेट कर दिया. So, right away is the adverbial phrase here. Finally, after all this time, I got the chance to come to Pakistan. It took me 2 months to plan my trip. Took me 2 months to plan. This is the adjectival phrase, which included many nights of researching what to do and where to go. When I arrived at the crossing, here you can see at the crossing is the prepositional phrase because it is starting with the preposition. Border officials welcomed me with a lot of curiosity. With a lot of curiosity. This is the adjectival phrase. Border officials ने मेरा इस्तकबाल किया. कैसे इस्तकबाल किया? बहुत ज़्यादा तजस्सुस के साथ मेरा इस्तकबाल किया. And immediately began asking me questions about where I was from, if I was traveling alone, if this was my first time in Pakistan, and what the purpose of my visit was. I answered them gladly with as much detail as possible. As much detail as possible. This is the adverbial phrase. How did I answer my question? With as much detail as possible. I'm going there because I want to understand if Pakistan is really what the media portrays it to be. Honestly, I don't believe even for a second what I see on TV. Here, on TV is the prepositional phrase. There were smiles all around me when I said this. All around. All around is also the adjectival phrase because it is adding to the meaning of the word noun. Here is your homework. Make a vocabulary journal and write difficult words from the text. Write the word's meaning or a simple sentence using the word in context. You can use a dictionary for this purpose. So this is your homework. We have provided a simulation for you as well. Here is the worksheet of this lecture. Apart from the PowerPoint presentation, you will also have access to the skill sheet, to the question bank, and to the lesson plan of this lecture as well. Thank you so much.